Hi, I'm Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360, and I'm here today on behalf of the CTO Advisor and their AWS Everyday series. And of course, we're talking cloud security today. So let's talk about AWS Private CA. AWS Private CA enables the creation of private certificate authority, or CA hierarchies, and that includes root and subordinate CAs without the investment and maintenance cost of operating an on-premise CA. Your private CAs can issue end entity X.509 certificates useful in scenarios including creating encrypting TLS communication channels, authenticating users, computers, API endpoints, IoT devices, cryptographically signing code, implementing online certificate status protocol or OCSP for obtaining certificate revocation status. AWS Private CA operations can be accessed from the AWS Management Console using the AWS Private CA API or using the AWS CLI. There are two AWS services for issuing and adopting and deploying X.509 certificates, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Considerations include whether you need public or private facing certificates, customized certificates, certificates you want to deploy into other AWS services, or automated certificate management renewal. So AWS Private, this service is for enterprise customers building a public key infrastructure or PKI inside the AWS cloud and intended for private use within the org. With AWS Private CA, you can create your own CA hierarchy and issue certificates for authenticating alternate users, computers, applications, services, servers, other devices, whatever you want for signing computer code. Certificates issued by a private CA are trusted only within the organization, not on the internet. So after creating a private CA, you have the ability to issue certificates directly and to customize them to meet your organization's internal needs. So you can create certificates with a subject name. You can create certificates with any expiration date. You can use any supported private key algorithm and key length. You can use any supported signing algorithm. You can control certificate issuance using templates. AWS Certificate Manager, ACM, that service is for enterprise customers who need a publicly trusted secure web presence using TLS. And you can deploy the ACM certificates into AWS Elastic Load Balancer, Amazon CloudFront, Amazon API Gateway, and other integrated services. The most common application of this kind is a secure public website with significant traffic requirement. So what are four use cases? Automate and scale your certificate issuance. You can establish TLS for Kubernetes. You can use TLS and mutual TLS for private networks. You can create secure service meshes. Thanks for joining.